Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to research your business Instagram competition. Chances are you already have a good idea about who your competition is offline, especially if your business serves customers locally. If you have several business names to research, finding them on Instagram is fairly easy if they each have an account. Here are two easy ways to find the Instagram accounts of your competitors. The first one is go to their websites and see whether they have a link to their Instagram accounts. If so, click the link or Instagram icon. Or go to Instagram directly and click the magnifying glass at the bottom of the page to display the search field. And type the business name in the search field and see whether the business appears. And tap the name to go to the account. I'll just give an example from there. At first, for instance, I'm interested in interior design, so I'll just look at this one. So here, if you're using the second research method, several accounts might have similar names. If you can't distinguish which one is the correct account, use the first method to verify that you found the correct one. And after you locate a competitor's Instagram account, look at its profile page. Some businesses take more care with their profile page than others. And ask yourself the following. Does it have an easily identifiable username? Is that account set up as a business account? Call, email, and directions buttons are displayed only on business accounts? And does it explain what the business does in a simple way? And has it included a link to its website or another resource? Are photos, images, and videos used in a cohesive way? And does it have an Instagram store running? So, look at what your competitor has done. Can you learn any lessons, good or bad, for your own profile? Next, tap the last photo that the competitor's account posted. Just tap the last photo that the competitor's account posted and take note of the image and caption. Does the photo have an integrating image, video, or photo? Use text overlays that might include a quote, phrase, or statistic. Use filters. If so, is one filter used consistently? Have a caption. If so, does it make you want to know more? And use hashtags. If so, how many? So go through this set of questions with several of your competitors' posts and note which of them received the highest engagement, including likes and comments, and also note the posts that received low engagement. And if you'd like to get more technical, set up an Excel spreadsheet using the preceding questions as column headings and note similarities between winning and losing posts. And repeat the process with other competitors. Then use the information to craft posts that are more attractive to your target audience. And this process doesn't need to be restricted to competitor research alone. Feel free to see what other brands are doing successfully on Instagram and determine whether their techniques can be translated to your business. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.